Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Wassce 2019 Maths Objective Test and we'll be solving question 12. Now, h varies directly as p and inversely as the square of y. If h is equals to 1, p equals 8 and y equals 2, find h in terms of p and q. We are asked to find h in terms of p and q in this particular question. So, h varies what? Directly as p, and h varies inversely as the square of y, and this is what it means. So it's the same thing as saying you can join the both equation. You say h varies directly as p and inversely as square of y, hence h equals to kp over y squared, where k is the constant of proportionality and then y is the y that was given to us here. So now our k, the constant, will be equal to what? Hy squared divided by p. If you change your subject formula, you have hy squared divided by p. Now according to the question, it told us our h is 1 multiplied by y, which is 2 squared, divided by p, and our p is 8. So that has to say 1 times 2 squared is 4, which is 4 over 8, and that's 1 over 2. So it means our k, our constant of proportionality, is 1 over 2. Now we take it back to the original equation we had. We know our k now. We are asked to express h. We should find h in terms of p and y. So in terms of p and y, h will be equal to what? H is equal to kp over y squared. It's equal to kp over y squared, and our k is 1 over 2. So we have 1 all over 2p over y squared, which is the same thing as p over 2y squared. So h is equals to p over 2y squared. And that's the same thing, similar to this. This is what they intended to write here. H equals to p divided by 2y squared. That's option C. H equals p over 2y squared. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.